Hi kids! Let's learn how to talk about seasons in Spanish. There are 4 seasons in a year. Let's learn the Spanish name for each.
Invierno. Primavera. Verano. Otoño.
Let's do it again.
Invierno. Primavera. Verano. Otoño.
Seasons are known by their special climate conditions. To talk about the climate in a season, we can start by saying
En el.
meaning, in the, or
En.
in. For example,
En el invierno.
in the winter,
En primavera.
in spring. These are the Spanish words for the typical climate in each season.
Hace frío.
Meaning, it is cold.
Hace calor.
It is hot.
Hace viento.
It is windy.
Hace fresco.
It is cool. Let's put them together.
En el invierno, hace frío. En el verano, hace calor. En primavera, hace viento. En otoño, hace fresco.
Thanks for watching! Remember to like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.